Just call the police and say I was just assaulted. You want another shot? Come at me, mother.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone, the place for you to learn your rights and how to exercise them when dealing with public officials and law enforcement. I would like to ask a big favor from you guys, and that is to subscribe to this one, as I will start posting in this channel and I would love your support. Now in this video you will see how some people have no idea of our rights, especially our First Amendment right to film in public, and think they can threat others for doing it. But first, remember to like the video and don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts on this interaction.
Are you videoing the brand?
Yes.
Can I ask why?
You can ask, but I can't tell you. I've got an employer and under pretty strict instructions not to chit chat with people I'm out working. So
Okay.
I can't.
What company are you with?
I'm sorry.
What company are you
I can't tell you that either. If I tell you that, then you know who it was that was investigating you. So
with? Okay.
sorry.
What's up, man?
Not much. Keeping
How
out
goes
of
it?
trouble. And yourself?
Not too bad. I'm Officer Volcom, Swearing Police Department. I'm recording, just so you know.
Welcome. How you doing? I'm recording as well.
Not too bad.
You having a good day?
Yes, sir.
Don't tell me these lunatics called the police for a guy standing out on a corner taking pictures.
Yep. Umpqua Bank gave us a call, said they don't appreciate pictures and video of their business. It's a private business. But you're on a public sidewalk, so as far as I'm concerned, you're not committing any crimes. But they do want you trespassed from their property, so
Really? I
just
haven't
don't.
even stepped foot on it. Have you ever trespassed somebody ever off of a property that they've never stepped foot on?
Yeah, I have.
Have you?
Yeah, and it's so pretty much just kind of run you through like trespass warnings. So pretty much like all it is like, hey, you're trespassed from this location. Don't go there. If you do, you could be subject for an arrest.
Sure. So what if I bank here? And I can't bank there anymore, huh?
That's kind of on them. Yeah, that'd be their loss in my opinion. So, do you bank at Umpqua?
I'm sorry?
Do you bank at Umpqua?
I'd rather not say. But
Oh, okay.
They're going to find out the hard way.
Yeah. No, for sure. Yep. So just so you're aware, they just.
God, don't go on their property. God.
Yep. All right. Anyways,
No
do you mind
worries,
if I
bud.
can get your name really quick?
I very much mind if you get my name. I haven't broken any laws, and I'm a huge fan of the Fourth Amendment, so I'm
Okay.
going to have to say I'll pass on that today.
Sure.
I appreciate you asking nicely, though. I've had some police officers in the past demand, insist. I've even had officers arrest me for not giving ID when I wasn't breaking the law.
Oh, interesting.
I don't think you're the kind of guy that would do that, but some guys are. It's crazy. Yeah.
Yep.
Are you going to want to talk to them at all?
Sure. Yeah.
You might want to mention to them. He said, "Are you absolutely certain you want to trespass this man, not knowing where he banks?
Okay.
Is that your final answer?"
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
They might want to call a regional manager and ask. In fact, you might want to say, the man said you might want to call your regional manager and ask, are you sure you want to trespass somebody who's never stepped foot on your property that you're aware of, who may actually bank at Umpqua?
Yep.
They're going to find out the hard way.
Interesting.
Yeah. Unless they're hards, they're idiots. So
Yeah, man.
I'm not surprised by this, but I'm saddened. Saddened, but not surprised.
Yeah, sure.
It is what it is.
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, it's kind of
Yeah. But I've only had.
Do you mind if I ask like the experience with Umpqua? Do you mind if I kind
I don't mind
of
if you
pick your
ask, but
brain about it?
I'm not talking today. I'm just not. After having police call on me for lawful activity, I'm irritated. So I don't want these guys to have any answers until they see the video. And mark my words, they will see this video.
Okay.
I'll make sure I get their phone number right in the story. And
Do you put it in like Facebook or where do you put it at?
I can't say. Can't.
Okay.
Well, I can. I won't say. I want these guys to have no heads up whatsoever when they get inundated with thousands of phone calls. So.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And are you a journalist or anything like that, or?
I will tell you this. I am indeed a journalist.
Oh,
I
okay.
am indeed a journalist.
Gotcha.
Gathering
Okay.
content for a story.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, yeah, I appreciate it. I was just curious, to be
No
honest.
worries. I appreciate it. Hey, I don't have any weapons on me. I gotta grab my water though, so you don't mind me.
Nah, I don't mind. Anyways, take care, man.
Very disappointing.
Yeah. Have a better rest of your day. And
Yeah, maybe tell him seriously. He says you might want to call your regional manager before you officially trespass him, because what if he banks here?
yeah, and so it's actually considered a trespass warning.
Yeah.
So pretty much like, it's a private business. They have a right to serve who they want to and all that jazz. Yeah, that's pretty much really all it is.
No worries.
And really, if you think about it, it's more like a second chance kind of thing. Because
Sure.
if we just showed up to places and like arrested
yeah,
people
yeah.
for a trespass, it's like why not give them a
So
warning?
now at least I know if I were to go on their property, then I could get arrested. But,
Yeah. But this is all still public sidewalk, so as far as I'm concerned, you're not conducting any illegal activity.
Sure.
Anyway,
All right, appreciate you, brother.
nice to meet you, man.
You bet.
Take care.
You have a good one. Be safe, man.
Yep, see ya.
Good police officers understand that enforcing the law starts with fairness and clear communication. When it comes to trespassing, they know that first they have to give a trespass warning, letting a person know that they are on private property and they must leave. That gives a person a chance to comply without immediately facing legal consequences. And only if that person refuses to leave after that warning does it escalate into a criminal offense. Now, this officer approach reflects professionalism, respect for our rights, and a commitment to the oath we made to protect the Constitution and enforcing the law. Now, if you think this is over, you are completely wrong. Check this out.
Want to stop for a second?
Do I want to stop for a second? Sure. There you go.
Hey,
Yeah. I'm a little defensive today. How can I help you today?
well, you want to get defensive.
Yes, sir. I do want to
You
get
want to go
defensive.
take pictures of me and then you flip me off
Yeah,
when
okay,
I
I'm
take a
done with you.
picture of
I'm
you.
done with you, little
Come
man.
here.
Nah, I'm good.
Come on, you little worm.
What can I do for you?
Just smile.
Again, there you go.
You're a-
Fuck off, loser. Seriously.
Come on back. We're on a public sidewalk.
Yeah, I'm standing right here, Chief. What can I do for you? Am I a piece of work?
I already got your picture.
I don't give a rat's ass. I got your license plate of 779 NUA, huh? Are you drunk, sir? Have you been drinking today? You been drinking today?
Say what?
You been drinking today?
Well, of course I have.
Oh, are you drunk right now?
You dipshit. I had a glass of water for breakfast. I had a Gatorade for lunch. God, what an
Yeah.
idiot.
Get out of here, loser. Seriously.
You're just a little fucking worm. That's what you are. You're a little fucking worm. Yeah, you're a little fucking worm.
Now, sir, you are touching me. Get away from me. Hey, can you call the police on this man? What did he do? He just came up and pushed up against me. Call the police. I got it all on video, you little bitch.
Why was he up there?
Because I'm out here taking photos. Ma'am, can you call the police, please? You think you can walk up to somebody on the street and push into them and think there's no consequences? Huh? You want another shot? Come at me, motherfucker. Yeah? Oh, you want some more? Bring it on. Seriously, can you call the police? Just call the police and say I was just assaulted. And I'll do it again if you keep coming at me. You want to keep coming at me? I wouldn't come this direction. You start walking toward my voice, you'll get it again. Yeah, he'll need a little water. Oh, this guy came up and got right in my face and literally pushed against me, and I sprayed him with pepper spray. I told him to back off. He was very aggressive, pulled his car over here, came at me, started calling me names and stuff like that, got very aggressive and got right in my face, literally that far away, and I'm standing here holding this, and he pushed up against this, pushed me, and I sprayed him.
Okay. I'll go talk to him. What's up, man? Step over here with your pickup. Is this your truck?
No, you don't have multiple
We're gonna-
witnesses.
hey,
You don't
hey.
have multiple witnesses.
We're gonna talk this out. All right. I got to figure out what's going on. One step at a time. All right, my friend. I got medics coming out here to check your eyes
I
out.
don't need any fucking medics.
No, that
That's bullshit.
should probably have them take a look.
No, I got set up.
Okay.
You got people like this in town now.
Okay.
Okay. So I took a picture of him because he took a picture of me at the bank. So
Okay.
I stopped and took a picture of him.
Okay.
Now he flips me off right away.
Okay.
Then he starts baiting me, cussing at me, calling me. It's all on his video there.
Okay.
Then when I walk up like this, he steps into me, and he has his pepper spray already. He fucking zaps me right now with pepper spray.
Okay.
It's my fault. That's stupid.
Okay. What are you thinking?
Nothing. I'm not thinking anything.
Okay. Well,
I'm
because
thinking that was really stupid, that I should have known better, because this is what these little peckers are going to do now.
Mm-hmm.
They're going to start sending people all over the country doing this stuff because they want conflict. What else does that guy want? He's been out here on the street. That's what he's been doing. Is
you're right.
This is public. This
You're
is
right.
public.
You're right. All right, man. So sounds like you guys had a little bit of some stuff going on. So, you mind if I could get your name really quick?
Now you can get my name. Mike Norton. Michael Norton.
M-I-C-H-A-E-L.
M-I-C-H-A-E-L. M-I-C-H-A-E-L.
N-O-R-T-O-N?
Correct.
Your date of birth?
68.
And a good phone number for you.
801. Yeah, I've been doing this for well over a year. I've hundreds and hundreds of cities all across America. I never had to use my pepper spray ever.
Okay. What happened?
Just walking down the sidewalk, and I wasn't recording when I was walking down the sidewalk, just heading this direction. I saw the truck pull over, and I thought, oh, this might be trouble. So I went ahead and turned on my camera, and this gentleman got out of the car and his truck and he's taking pictures of me, and I had no problem with that. Hell, I take pictures of people all day long. And I think he said smile, and I turned around and gave him the finger, and he's, oh, that's not so nice. And then he just kind of got closer and closer to me, and
Did he take a picture of you?
Oh, I'm sure he did. Yeah, I'm sure he took several pictures of me. He just kept walking closer and closer, and got right up in my. He was literally. I was holding my camera like this. Let me show you. Collapse that. I was holding my camera like this, as close as I possibly could to myself, and his face was literally right there, and he pushed up against this, which pushed up into me, and that's when I didn't even look down to see if it was his hand pushing me or his belt or whatever. But when you get in that, somebody's face did that, and he was getting really. In fact, I'm going to rewind this a little bit and show you the video. What a dumbass! So I don't know if the man really deserves a second chance, but you know what? Just for shits and giggles, if he wants to be stupid again, let's give him another chance and say, hey, once again, you got a chance. Make an apology, and I'll accept it, and we'll move our separate ways. I have no desire to tie him up in court, and the only one that benefits from that is the courts. The courts and attorneys, and it's crazy.
All right.
I'm willing to, just, he needs to be an adult. He needs to be a grown-up.
Okay. All right, man.
So am I free to go?
You're free to go at this time. You guys...
Is he pressing charges?
Well, he said if you guys can handshake this out to try to...
No.
Okay.
The man pepper sprayed me. He baited me into walking up towards him. He stepped into me, and then immediately he had that pepper spray ready.
He saw the video already, Chief.
This is exactly what he did.
Okay.
And he actually is stepping into me if you watch the video.
Okay. All right. Well, thank
It's
you.
the reason that he's got that.
He saw the video already, buddy.
Yeah.
You're free to
lying.
go. So I'm not going to pursue this any further. So if there's anything that I need to reach out to you for or anything like that, I'll give you a call. But other than that,
You need a phone number?
I thought I might have already grabbed that from you. I guess I didn't. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Awesome. Thank you, sir. And sorry about the circumstances. And please have a better rest of your day, mister. So.
This world is full of pieces of human excrement that do things like this just for fun.
Take care. All right, Mr. Norton. Thank you for your time. I'm glad that you're safe. If you need anything, please reach out to us. And have a better rest of your day, okay? Take care.
Too many people have no idea of our rights, especially our First Amendment right to free press. They feel entitled and think that the rest of the world has to revolve around them and what they want, and sometimes that kind of behavior can leave them in a bad place, just like in this case. But the truth is that there is no expectation of privacy in public. Being that said, thanks to our First Amendment right to free press, you can film everything that you can see from a public place. Because if you think about it, you cannot trespass the eyes. And this is why it is so important for you to know your rights and to help us to bring awareness to the rest of the public. So don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like the video and leave a comment to reach more people. And remember, always record the police.